Go home happy with the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Here's a future-ready Ioniq 5 that ticks every box on your EV shopping list and more. Connected, efficient, fun to drive, spacious, versatile, and undeniably stylish, this impressively designed automobile exceeds all expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry. Connect with your love of the journey in this tech-forward Ioniq 5. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.